This is Rachel Rhodes with your News in 90. Governor Rick Scott declares a state of emergency for 26 counties in preparation for Hurricane Michael. The storm is now forecast to be a major Category 3 hurricane when it hits the Florida Panhandle Wednesday. Michael quickly formed in the Yucatan Peninsula last night, and its winds doubled in less than 24 hours. A hurricane watch has been posted from Pensacola to the Suwannee River. Rick Scott has activated 500 members of the Florida National Guard. A local church fights hunger in Guatemala by selling a seasonal staple. The Church of God in Gainesville is selling pumpkins to raise money for poverty-stricken areas in the country. They call it Buy a Pumpkin, Feed a Child. In Guatemala, 7 out of 10 children are chronically undernourished, according to the World Food Program. The country has the 6th highest rate of malnutrition in the world. 100% of the proceeds go towards feeding the children. The pumpkin sale goes through the end of October. Supreme Court Justice Brett Kavanaugh will be sworn in tonight in a public ceremony. Justice Kavanaugh was privately sworn in Saturday after the Senate vote confirmed him to the High Court. With a vote of 50 to 48, it was the slimmest margin of victory of a Supreme Court judge since 1881. That record was previously held by Supreme Court Justice Clarence Thomas. In the wake of this messy confirmation process, both political parties are urging their voters to now take their energy to the polls next month. Justice Kavanaugh will take his seat on the High Court starting tomorrow. That's your News in 90, but your Florida news is always on at WUFT.org.